welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited today because I'm in Jebel Jais and I'm at the top, not top where the zipline is, but next to the zipline office. And today I'm going to experience an evening tea. I am going to explain or share my experience being at the highest restaurant in UAE. You heard me right, it's not in Burj Khalifa, it is now in Ras Al Khaimah. It is our own Ras Al Khaimah. You can see behind me, it is the beautiful Jebel Jais. So guys, before you enjoy the restaurant, sit back, relax and enjoy the drive to the top of Jebel Jais. So guys, there is a small pond, or this is also called the dam, on the way to Jebel Jais. So in between these mountains, this beautiful water, bluish green water, looks nice. To 1484.
You have reservation?
Yes.
Yeah.
38971?
Yes.
Which name?
Pooja.
White building.
Thank you. So guys, without a reservation with the restaurant or without a booking with the zipline center, they won't allow you to go to the top. So as I said, I'm going to the highest restaurant in UAE, and I hope you guys will like it. The menu is quite very simple, as I've seen online, and you have to take a booking before because it's totally full, guys. It's fully packed, and you have to call their number. I will put their website link in the description. So whoever is in UAE, if you want to come, I would suggest you book 1 week prior to the day you want, because it's very hard to find it a place or to get a booking here. It's recently opened, probably maximum of 2 weeks now, and it's got a beautiful, spectacular view. I will show you. Even the ambience is really good. So let's go inside the highest restaurant in UAE. So they have enough parking lot, and next to the restaurant is the zipline office. So guys, that is the topmost part of Jebel Jais, and these people are zipliners, not skydivers, sorry, but zipliners. From there, they zipline like this. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So this is the entrance for the Jebel Jais Zipline Center, and the restaurant is inside this as well. So let's get inside. So this is the Zipline office, and this is the restaurant. So guys, this is our view from the highest restaurant in UAE, and the name is 1484 by Puro. Just look at this beauty. And a beautiful sun there. So guys, our food has come. We are having desserts in the highest restaurant. This is their special tiramisu and this is pecan brownie and it looks so yummy. And how is the brownie?
Brownie is excellent. So
black coffee, internal espresso. You should have, or Americano internal.
They had Americano.
You should have ordered.
Americano is the best combination with this because
brownie and Americano is a good combination. My God, I love tiramisu and anything coffee flavored. So guys, I'm so happy that we got the booking, and I literally asked them whether whatever slot they have, whether be it breakfast, lunch or evening time, and they gave me a booking for 5 o'clock and we reached here on time. They close at 7. So whoever wants to come, try to book your breakfast or lunch, or this is a perfect time because the weather is just perfect for you. It is not warm, it's quite chilly, and the food is just, and you can see the gorgeous background behind me, just splendid. You know, you don't have much words to explain the feeling you have. You have to come here and experience it. I would say that anyone who's in UAE, please do come here for a visit. And the food is a very small menu and it's not too pricey at all. We will think it's quite expensive for being the highest restaurant in UAE, but it is not at all expensive. It's affordable and you can just come have a coffee. It's not necessary you have to have a whole main course. No, just have a coffee or have a soft drink or something and just enjoy the view. I'm just loving this. It's so beautiful for mountain and just spectacular view. This is the result of amazing food. There is nothing left. Look at the brownie. My father, who normally does not eat all this, loved the brownie and he has cleaned his plate. See, look at his happy face having a happy brownie.
it's too good.
So guys, the name of the restaurant, as I said, is 1484 by Puro, and the name 1484 comes because it is at a height of 1484 meters from the sea level. So the name is completely apt for this. My goodness, look at the sunset. This is totally different from what we normally see from our house.
Yeah, definitely. This
just
in a mountainous area and the mountain looks so, the mountain line you see.
Yeah, it's so gorgeous. So guys, we had a splendid evening. We spent almost 2 hours over here and the drive is worth it. I'm literally saying the drive is worth it. You should come here. Whoever is in UAE, you should come here, okay? Experience is just, you cannot say, it's not expressed in words. It's that splendid. Climate is perfect. My goodness. There is a dog here. Dog in the sense a customer's dog. So please do visit this place, and the food is also amazing. And you can see from the background, it's just spectacular. It's enticing, or I don't know. I don't have words actually. I'll have to go Google words or take a dictionary and give you or express my words, but it's too tough. So please do visit this place, and as I always tell, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment also, guys. So bye bye.